Welcome to Be Yog, Be Your Own Guide. Today is day 8 of the 30-day morning meditation series. Let's begin our practice for the day. Wherever you're sitting, I invite you to bring in one hand, palm facing towards the chest, and the other hand, palm facing towards the belly. And then as you breathe in, feel into the body rising. Let's breathe together. And as you breathe out, let the breath out from the mouth and observe the body falling back. Now, we'll do 3 in-breaths, expansive spaciousness, creating space for new, and 3 exhales, letting go of all the past energies that are not needed, resetting ourselves for a new day today. Okay, so breathe in, creating space, expansiveness for all the new stuff. And breathe out, letting go of what's not needed, resetting the system. And once again, breathe in, space, newness, possibilities. And breathe out, letting go, allowing the system, the being to reset itself. Now breathing normally. You can place your hands down on your laps, on your knees or thighs. And then, if you feel comfortable, close your eyes. I invite you to witness a sunrise in your mind's eye. You can imagine yourself sitting on a hill, on a mountain, in a beach, in a forest, in a garden, or any place that you know. And sitting there, I want you to watch in your mind's eye the sun rising right from the moment you begin to see from the darkness begins to show the first hint, the first glimpse of light. And then the sun continues to rise up and up into above the horizon in the sky, slowly and softly. The sun is still soft, the rays are still soft, and it's this goldenish light at the horizon covering the entire sky now. And every single morning, as if the universe gives us the opportunity, the reminder to reset. And today, I invite you to step in to this universal energy of letting yourself reset your being with open, expansive sense of self, sense of being, allowing yourself to be a new you, a you who can make different choices, A you who can ask different questions. A you who can choose to be different. And as you continue breathing, allow this sense of resetting settle in. Every time you inhale, creating space for the choices that you can make today in this moment. And every time you exhale, allowing it to go deeper and deeper into your being, you can choose in a new way today. You can be a different new you today. Now, I invite you to take a moment to think about your day, the way today looks for you, whether you have work or you have family or you have studies or you have something else. Just think about the day as the day you know the basics of today. Whatever routine things might be, things that you have maybe planned, just bring the day to your awareness in this moment. Brew has come in also to say, yes, let's bring today into our awareness. And as today comes into your awareness, I invite you to gently offer a prayer to today, to your today. May I have the capacity to be open, to pause, and to choose with awareness. Every moment of today, may I cultivate the capacity to open up, pause, and choose with conscious awareness, moment to moment. And even when I falter somewhere, may I have the grace for myself, hold and cultivate grace for myself to choose in a new way. The way I am with myself, may I choose to be a new way, a little more gentleness, a little more grace, a little more love to every time I falter. And let's take 3 more deep inhales. Inhale, creating space. Exhale, deepening the intention to allow yourself to choose consciously with awareness. And inhale again. And let it go through your mouth with a sigh. And once more, inhale. And then letting it all go. If you feel complete for now, palms facing down to the knees, holding the knees gently, chin to the chest, lower back arched out, gently opening your eyes to your own body, smiling at your own being. Gently caressing. May you step into today full of conscious, aware choices. I'll see you in the next one.